In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Drive on Google AI Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to bring files from your drive into a chat, so the model can reference them for better, more contextual responses. Start on the Google AI Studio homepage. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that actually owns or has access to the files you plan to use. If you switch between accounts often, double-check the profile in the top corner so the drive you open matches the account in AI Studio. On the home page, you'll see the chat composer with a large text box where you type your prompt. Look toward the bottom edge of that text box. You'll find a small add button that looks like a plus symbol inside a circle. Click that button to open the attachment menu. This menu is where AI Studio lets you enrich your prompt with extra context. You might see options like uploading a local file or attaching a link, but for this workflow, we're going to use Drive, so your content stays in sync and permissions are respected. Choose the Drive option from that menu. The first time you do this, you may be asked to grant AI Studio permission to view files from your Google Drive. That's normal. Review the prompt and continue based on your organization's policies. If your workspace has admin controls, you might see restrictions. In that case, contact your admin if you need access enabled. Once Drive opens, you can now access your files and folders directly. Use the search bar or browse through My Drive and Shared with Me to find what you need. Selecting a file will attach it to your chat, and you'll see a small chip or preview appear below the prompt area to confirm it's ready. If you change your mind, you can remove it before sending. For best results, attach files that are directly relevant to your question, like a project brief, a spreadsheet of metrics, or a PDF you want summarized. Large documents may take a moment to index, so give it a second before submitting your prompt. And remember, the model can only use what you share in the chat, so avoid including sensitive content you don't want processed. That's all there is to it. Open AI Studio, click the Add button, choose Drive, and start working with your files right inside the chat. Add a clear prompt describing what you want the model to do with the attached content, and you're set.